Hello there guys and girls, good evening to each every one of you. I just finished watching this film. Gosh, some kind of intense and a heart-pounding one. But before I'm gonna start my reviews for this one, I just wanna greet you a good evening to each every one of you. Thank you Lord for all the blessings that you gave, for all the trials and challenges that I surpassed. Shout out to all my family, Bicol, headed by my mother, February, Agustin, Darba, Bitchan, Helen Carreto, and hi to all my first viewers who never get tired of my masterpieces. Thank you so much to each every one of you. To all my silent subscribers out there, hi, and to all my 10 lovely countries, and also on my sorry guys, Facebook viewers, hi to my silent viewers on Facebook, sorry, and to all my secretly watching my masterpieces on Facebook, hi, and what else, every one of you. You know what guys and girls, I couldn't really believe of this movie. James McAvoy is very good on this, some kind of psychotic one and some kind of a mind-blowing movie. I really love James McAvoy. He's really, oh gosh. And then you know what guys, he gets old a little bit, but his body is still yummy. But you know what, I really love James McAvoy on Wanted with Angelina Jolie sometime in 2010, if I'm not mistaken. That was 50 years old. Almost 14, 15. Anyway, I forgot. Meet expectations, okay, but there's some loopholes and there are some. I couldn't say it's boring, but they make it slow pace because of the storytelling, because of the situation that they are having, because of the each characters, what do you call that? How do you call that? Each characters have has this kind of establishing their each moment, and there are some unpredictables and some revelations on this movie. But you know what, guys and girls, I am looking when I start watching this film, I thought there's already on my mind that this would be a massacre film. This would be a family being slaughtered and being killed. But you know what? I'm not gonna divulge. Hold on, some kind of heavy. Hold on. I'm not gonna divulge what here happened, but what I can say for this one, the running time of this movie is 1 hour and 50 minutes, but they make it long. For the first hour and 20 minutes, they keep on talking, they keep on discussing each problem, they keep on make you feel mad, make you feel angry, make you feel you want to jump at the edge of your seat because of the hypertension that you are feeling, because of the heart that keeps on pounding, and you keep on guessing what will. It's really a good movie, but what I'm trying to say, guys and girls, I want some kind of mouse and cat scenes, mouse and cat hunting. That you know the chasing of one another from with the villain and the main characters, or the antagonist versus the protagonist. You know what, guys and girls, I'm being used to keep on screaming, keep on shouting at the top of my lungs, that keep on guessing. I'm some kind of disappointed. Although they want to establish a 101% of you will keep on guessing what could be happen next, what will be the next scenes to happen. So it's some kind of a great, but I'm used to have the Blumhouse masterpiece that from the start of the movie you keep on shouting, you keep on screaming, you keep on something, you keep on being terrified. But sorry to say, guys and girls, they prolong the story because they want you to feel, you will get annoyed, you want to feel this kind of being hurried to finish the movie. You know what, guys and girls, I keep on what I'm trying to say, I keep on reacting for this movie because I don't care if some of moviegoers will react, but anyway, they didn't. Uh, uh, and then I keep on saying some other bad words like something to that effect. But they are really good actors. You know what, guys? What I learned for this movie, you can apply this, guys and girls, to your life. That when you meet someone, there's nothing wrong of talking to other strangers. But if sometimes it's some kind of too good to be true, that they are being clingy, they are being attached in just a snap, think twice, think many times, because they are having some hidden agenda in your life. And for you not to be get into trouble, once you feel something awkward, something off, something awful, something it's not really proper, move yourself for that strangers. Do not talk with them anymore. Do not engage. Do not get in touch. Well, if they keep on connecting with you, make some communications, cut it off before you will feel that your life would be some kind of a hell. So please be aware sometimes. Do not feel that you are being gratified, being acknowledged by other people because they telling that you are good person, you are that this kind of lovely ones. Do not. So be a keen observer and be a smart one. And then once you feel that you are in danger, get out of that place. Do not prolong, do not keep on excusing, do not keep on pleasing. It's just for you to please them, just for you to feel that you are feel sorry, you are being acknowledged or whatever, that kind of feeling that you want to be acknowledged. Do not. So stop right there and there. And then they gave me the satisfaction after 1 hour and 20 minutes that I've been looking for, that I've been want to expect for the movie, because they are starting now the mouse and cat hunt. That's what I'm really. But you know what, guys? It's some kind of 90%. I don't feel the but it's some kind of a little bit morbid when it comes on killing one another. And I really love the revelation, guys and girls. And I can say that this movie is some kind of a splendid in a way, and the acting is great, and they are not being like hysterical. And what else should I say about this movie? And just like that, guys and girls, be careful on talking with somebody. Again, guys and girls, there's nothing wrong on talking to strangers, but be very careful once you think that it's being too OA, overacting. Anyway, and another one that I've learned for this movie, always be true yourself. Once you don't like the person, tell them that you don't like them, the way they treat other people. So tell them. And then once and for all, guys and girls, move yourself away from them before it's too late. Okay, so guys and girls, if you can also watch for this movie, because it's really worth a try. And be ready for yourself, guys and girls, because you keep on reacting for this movie, and you will being this kind of mad and angry for each scene that they are having. And you know what, guys and girls, I really love the place. Oh my gosh, the first scenes, you will feel that, oh gosh, I feel like to have a vacation to treat myself. Guys and girls, another one thing, once you have enough money, or either you don't have money, go to other places while you are still young. Enjoy each moment of your life, and always feel the ambience, the atmosphere, the God's creations, and try to relax sometimes. And there's this kind of motivation that they show to the moviegoers, that once you have this kind of being stressed, shout at the top of your lungs, just being like this, ah! Something to that effect. Anyway, guys and girls, it's a stress reliever, even though you will feel mad about this film, but it's okay. It's all up for you to decide. But if I were you, watch this if you want to enjoy, if you want to being annoyed or mad. Anyway, so guys and girls, what else? I really love. I think that would be all for now. Okay, so just in case I forgot someone or something for this film, I'll just make a comment or I'll make another part 2 for this. Okay, so guys and girls, enjoy your life as always and be a keen observer and enjoy, and always watch my videos, of course, also on my Facebook, Hendrix Abordo, and also Hendrix AA on my Facebook page. Okay, guys and girls, thank you so much for watching. I hope you like my movie reviews for this night, and Christmas countdown is coming, 94 days to go, and as for this moment, September, today is September 22, but I don't know if you will, I don't know if I'm gonna upload this right now, or because I still have lots of videos on my bucket list, that's why. So please bear with me just in case this would be uploaded late. Okay, anyway, guys and girls, thank you so much for listening in me, and please like, share, and subscribe as always, and thank you so much, guys and girls. I have to go because I have to upload another video that I have to complete. Okay, anyway, guys and girls, thank you so much, and such a relief. And James McAvoy, you're one of a hell. I love you. Thank you guys. Bye for now. Thank you.